GN essentially took the house that was here existing and we knocked it down and rebuilt an entire new house. They ripped off every wall. It was a full complete demo and a full rebuild and built us the dream house that we were looking for, from the design concept all the way to the finish. They built an entire new house here.
If you saw it before and after, as you mentioned, it does not look even close to anything that previously was. We have a whole entire second floor. It used to be pretty much a split level, and then we turned it into a 2-story colonial. We decided to work with GN for many of reasons. One especially was because of how well known they are. They have an extremely well-respected reputation in the area and in the business. They have an incredible attention to detail. So we knew that every little aspect of what we wanted our dream home to be, they would put into making it a reality. They also are so very quick to respond. So I would send an email and within less than 2 hours, I have a response back.
They're a big name in this town, and for a good reason. They're a high quality construction team. They come with design and concept all the way from demo to finish. You get a great product from a great team with great backing. That's kind of why we decided to go with them. They're just a really strong team and a unit all around.
I spoke a lot with the entire company, especially in the back end on the office side. They were fantastic to work with. Any potential hiccup and question that could have came up, they always had an answer for, so there was no disruption during the process.
In construction, nothing goes perfect, right? There's always things that come up and things that change. And overall, things went really smooth. Any little things came up, they were on top of it to help fix it or come up with a solution right away. So there was really no downtime, and overall the experience was great. I mean, we couldn't be happier with everything that they provided as a whole, as a unit. You get a lot of value with that company and overall satisfied. So from concept, Allie and I knew what we wanted to do with this project. This was a demo of an existing house and rebuild it to our specifications, our liking, all of our own individual touches and finish, and they were there for all aspects of that.
We worked with a whole entire design team because you're building a new house from the ground up, keeping the original footprint, but essentially nothing else. So you need some help in determining the wall color and which room and what's that going to look like, what is the flow going to, how is everything going to tie in with every other part of it. So all the way down to backsplashes, the tile patterns, the layout again of each of the different rooms, because we framed the entire house and went up to a second level. So what was that going to look like, all the way down to the color of the grout. So it was a lot of decisions to be made. And again, GN could not have helped make it any more simple and efficient, so that something that could have been extremely overwhelming really truly wasn't. They focused on one step at a time and helping you through each of those processes in order to get you to our end result now.
So the impact on us was great. This was a big challenge. We moved out of the house and lived in a condo for a year while this was being built, and to come home and have our dreams come true and see everything come together was, it's great. We're both blessed and happy, and things are really great now that we're back in here.
When we first walked through the door and saw everything come together, it was incredible.
Ecstatic.
I'm rather confident in stating that I don't think we would have had the experience that we did or be as happy as we are with the results had it not been with GN.
I don't think that another company could have put out a product like this and done it in the time frame that we were looking for. It was incredible. So I don't think it would have been the same process with another contractor. With GN's team is something that a lot of other contractors don't provide, with the office staff and the support and their design team and their project managers and their project coordinators. A lot of other companies don't have that, and I don't think not having that would have been a big difference for us.
If I were someone else and unsure and not really knowing, should I make the leap or what should I do next, I would say take that step. Go and reach out to GN, have the conversations. Again, you won't regret it. And if you're not familiar with any contract work or anything along those lines like myself, I had a lot of questions. And again, GN had so much patience and took the time to go through and make sure I fully understood every part of it that we were doing along the way.
I would wholeheartedly tell somebody to sign with them and go with them and go down that road, because they are a fantastic team to work with. The quality of work is beyond our wildest dreams. We couldn't be happier with what we have here. You know, this was our dream. They put it and made it come to
Made it a
fruition for
reality.
us, and we love it. You know, they were fantastic to work with all around.